Ladies and gentlemen, are you feeling stuck in your life? Do you have big goals and aspirations but don't know how to make them a reality? If so, listen closely because today we're talking about the solution to your problem, the dopamine detox. Contrary to popular belief, most people don't lack energy or knowledge. Instead, they lack focus. When you have focus, it's easier to acquire the knowledge you need to achieve your goals, and you'll also find more joy in your work. So, how do we cultivate focus? That's where the dopamine detox comes in.
Most of us are constantly distracted by multiple devices and endless notifications, but true focus and productivity come from limiting distractions. That's why I've always had just one monitor and I use to put my phone on airplane mode for most of the day. The dopamine detox is a 7-day framework for resetting your dopamine levels and increasing your focus, discipline, and productivity. There are 4 key pillars to the detox. Limiting your phone screen time to 1 hour per day, no social media, no screens before bedtime, and no unnecessary screens while eating.
This detox is not a lifestyle, it's a hard reset to increase your capacity for focus and discipline. After the 7 days, I'll show you how to integrate these habits into your daily life to maintain your focus and productivity. So, are you ready to reclaim your life and take control of your focus? Let's start the dopamine detox today.